Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you on how you can create a report card. That is, it will be of much help if you're a class teacher. You can easily make a report card, terminal report card for your students. So right here I have my names of the students, the marks each has got. So to create a report card, you open up your Microsoft Excel. Then you have your results right here. So I'll be taking you through the first thing, that is getting the total. So you're going to select that cell. And when you're doing calculations in Microsoft Excel, you have to consider that before you start out the calculation, you press in the equal sign, just like that. So then you type in the function sum. And as you can see here, Excel gives you different options. So you click on the one you want. As you know that sum, it simply means adding all the marks of your students. So you can decide to add the marks. You say 10 plus 48 plus 50, but I'm teaching you the simplest way. So after opening the bracket, you come and select that cell, and then you're going to highlight the whole row. We're going to highlight the whole row. So you left click and drag there. Then you press enter key, and that is your total. So you don't have to repeat the same thing for the rest of the cells. Excel has the ability to copy that formula and apply it down the whole column. So that's what we are going to do. So you move your cursor until it makes that cross, and then you left click and drag it down the column. Right there, you have your total, as simple as that. So next will be the average. Same thing, equal sign. For average, we are going to use the total, that is dividing the total by the number of subjects. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subjects. So you select the first cell, then you divide it by 5, equal sign, enter. Then now that is your average. So you're going to apply the formula using the autofill handle to down the column. So you drag it, and there you have your average. Next will be the position. Equal sign positioning. We are going to use this total to get the position. So equal sign, then you type in rank there. Click on it, then you open your brackets. So for ranking, you select the cell, then comma, select it again, and apply. You drag and select the whole column just like that. And after, you're going to apply the dollar sign so that it gives you a correct answer. That is, you press the F4 key like that, and then you press enter. When you're typing in your family, don't forget to add 0 at the end. That's after you've placed the dollar signs. Then you can press enter. And we have your position 3 right here. So the next thing you do is just apply the same formula down the column, just like that. And you have your position. So next will be the grading, equal sign. So for grading, as you see down here where my cursor is, I have my marks and the grades. So you have to make this first, and you'll use it for making the grades. So after the equal sign, you're going to select any of the cells with the marks of the students of any subject, then comma, and you come and select one cell down here and highlight the whole of it. Just like that. Then after, you apply the dollar signs For grading, you first type in your family using VLOOKUP like that. Then you open your brackets. So I'm going to select any of the marks, comma, and we shall use the gradings down here. After selecting, you're going to highlight all of it. Just like that. And then you press F4, you apply the $sign, then comma, and 2. Click on 2, then enter. Next, you apply the same formula down the column. And next, for the comments, it will be equal sign if open your brackets, if you select a cell, so it will be if B2, let's say it's less than 15, that will be fail. And if the marks are greater than 15, it will be a pass. Just like that. And then you press enter. A fail. So we extend the formula down the column, and there we go. So we have only 2 students who have passed, and that is all you have to do. I hope you have learned how to calculate the average, get the position, grading, and commenting. So if you want to make corrections at any point when you've discovered that you mismarked maybe the script, and let's say half of the class is complete, you don't have to press delete key. You can also just highlight. Let's redo that. And so you can highlight all the marks of the students. Then you're going to right click. As you can see, you have delete inside. So we want to delete, then you're given different options. You want to shift the cell. Well, I want to delete. Let's redo that. You right click, delete. I want to delete the entire column. And right there, as you see, the subjects have been reducing. We have been deleting them. So let's undo that. That is if you want to delete a column, the whole column or the whole row. You just right click, then also you can come right here on this ribbon. You select the rows and columns, then either you click on delete cells, delete rows, delete column. And also when you want to, let's say, to fix in a new row, you just have to come and click on between the two letters. Let's say for a row, you're going to highlight the whole row, and we are going to right click and click on insert. You click on insert, and right there we have insert row below or to the left or right, let's say below, and you've inserted your new row. You can do the same with the column. And so with the column you can do the same. And you right click, insert the column left of it or right of what you have highlighted, and there we have it on the left. So you don't have to delete the whole working just to make a correction. That is it. So that is all I had for you for today. Let me hope you have learned something. So when you're done with your work, you can just go to Files and save your working. Just go to Files right here. You put in your name, any name you want, the save as type, then you save your working, and that is all. You've already made your report card. Thank you. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. See you again next time.